Alright guys, welcome back. So we are back downtown here in Fremont Street again. We are in Binion's this time. We're going to do a quick walkthrough of the casino floor. Right away they have table games started. We got blackjack, $5 minimums. We got craps, $5 minimums, blackjack, a few tables open as well. Pie Gal poker. Got a little bit of everything going on here today guys. Some roulette open, $5 minimums for that as well. Got a bunch of gaming up over here on the right-hand side. The Big Lebowski. It's been a while since I played that one. I think I've only had one decent bonus on that game, but oh well. They're not all guaranteed winners, but some do better than others, you know. Got Breaking Bad and the Ghostbusters here over to the right. So, scoping out a few more places to gamble down here downtown. It's usually a pretty good spot to do some gambling down here in Binion. One of my favorite casinos to gamble in. So the cash gauge is going to be straight down over to the right, so we'll kind of avoid that area here. Got table games. Up over on the left-hand side, we got the main bar on the casino floor up over here on the right. We got the Binion's Cafe up over here on the right. Take a look at the menu, see what they got on there. So we got grilled cheese for $6, blackened grilled turkey $8.99. Well, that was quick. Prices look to be okay though, nothing too outrageous, as some of the places can be on Las Vegas Boulevard. I guess we all know that. So we'll kind of take you through. Binion's is kind of broke up here a little bit between two different sections. This section over here, which will take you up to the deli and things like that. There's also the Binion's Players Club that's over here as well. So these Wheel of Fortune machines are the ones that my sister and I played the last time we were here. And she asked me what machine I was going to play, put money in before me, put only $5 in, accidentally did it as well, and then max bet and won like $400 off the machine that I was going to play. So like I said, Binion's is famous for having the $1 million on display. It is on display for anybody who is 21 and over, so no personal photography, photos, group photos not available, free $1 million photo, one per person per day. But if you've never seen $1 million, guys, that's what it looks like. So a lot of cool stuff there. So imagine a poker table full of $100 bills, and that's what she looks like. But we'll kind of go over here. Here's the deli box office and things like that. Some more gaming and stuff that go on further down this area. The Players Club down here. Club Binion's right there. That's where you go to get your Players Club card. If you're staying here at Binion's, guest elevators are back over here as well. So guest elevators will be over on this left-hand side here. Some more gaming back over here. So we're going to go through here a little bit. Got Nathan's Hot Dogs over on the right-hand side. So if you've ever been to New York, you know Nathan's. They bomb-ass hot dogs are really, really good. We'll kind of go off. Stay over this way here. We got, sorry about that, gimbal is all doing crazy stuff here. So you got this little sublet floor down here with some more gaming and stuff. So we'll kind of check that out, the voice games. I have some blackjack, roulette, and craps. Some more beer house. Looks like the machine's out of order though, unfortunately. Oh, two of them are going. There's two of them are down, I guess. But yeah, I mean, not a bad little place here. I don't know why my gimbal keeps messing up, but it's kind of weird. Another bar over to my left-hand side here, some more gaming and stuff. So we'll kind of take you through the front We've taken you through the back, so we'll kind of go through the front here a little bit and go up this way. We'll maybe run into Mom. I think she's gambling out here on Binion's casino floor. So right now we're in the very front of Binion's here, doing wrapping up this little walkthrough that we've done of Binion's Hotel out here in Las Vegas. So they've got this casino floor like every inch just jam-packed with machines as far as the eye can see here. It is a very, very long casino floor as well. It is a big casino here on Fremont Street. It's a bigger one. The D is a big one too. They have upstairs and downstairs gaming, so if you haven't checked out the D, make sure to check that out as well. Walking Dead machine. I lost my ass on that the last time I was here in Vegas. I lost over 150 bucks in that game, but oh well. We're here to make some redemption and make that money back, right? So we might have to play that a little bit later. But we're kind of getting back towards the point where we walked in at here at Binion's, guys, so you know where this means. I will leave off with you here today. My name is Ryan. I'm your host as always on these walkthrough videos of these casinos here downtown in Las Vegas on this adventure. But I hope you all like the videos. If you do, be sure to hit up a thumbs up on the videos for sure. But as always, my name is Ryan. Be sure to support the channel by doing the merch or doing Patreon as well. You can do either or and be able to get set up with the channel and help grow the channel to do bigger and better things just like this. But I found Ma, so we will go ahead and end it there. I hope you all have a beautiful